Hey everybody, and welcome back to Butchie Boom. Before we get started, let's get some housekeeping stuff. Don't forget to subscribe. You just click the little icon in the lower right hand corner of your screen and you'll be able to subscribe very easily. This video today is going to be towards the Uber driver or Lyft driver in the Albany Capital District area after you've dropped off at Albany International Airport. Where do you go for the staging area? I'm going to show you really quick. It's very, very easy. After you've dropped off, go straight ahead to the traffic light. Wait through the light and make a left. You're going to go down about a mile and a half or so, and you're going to make a right-hand turn at the next traffic light to Heritage Lane. Once you're on Heritage Lane, you'll see where that car just came out to the left. Well, that's where you're going to park. You're going to go in there, find a parking spot, and wait. You're in the queue from the moment you've dropped off somebody at Albany Airport. And you'll stay in the queue as long as you stay in this parking lot. If you leave this parking lot, you leave the queue and have to start all over. The average is 5 to 10 cars ahead of you in the queue. About a half an hour or so, depending upon when planes are coming in, is how fast you'll get a ride. Sometimes Uber especially will call you out of the area to do a non-airport pickup. Use your discretion. Remember, denying a ride or turning down a ride will affect your stats. And can affect what you earned for that day because Uber may make you go chasing for it. But here we are. We're at the airport. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Now you know how to get there. You know something that I wish I knew. Thanks a lot for watching.